How to change Threads password. Start by opening the Threads app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and this will open the menu. Now in the settings menu, choose account and here you will see various options related to your account settings. Unfortunately, Threads does not allow you to directly change your password within the app. Instead, click on security and this will direct you to your Instagram app and Thread is linked to your Instagram account. And once you're in the Instagram, click on change password. Select the profile where you would like to change the password and then enter your current password and then type your new password and then retype it to confirm it and then click on apply to save the change. And once your Instagram password is updated, your Threads account password will automatically be changed as well. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.